If I was the kind of person who wagered on this sort of thing, Ronan, my money would definitely be on the Guardians of the Galaxy. No offense.
I do not fail.
That robotic duplicate of Drax is charging straight out of the gate.
Feel my wrath. Embrace defeat. That was entertaining.
Don't expect the rest to go down that easily. The Star-Lord and Gamora duplicates seem to be inseparable. They're heading your way.
It is a pleasure to see you.
It does not please me to see you, Ronan.
Ouch!
Cowardice delivered.
This pains you more than I.
You wear my wrath.
Infinity Gauntlet in play.
Easy prey. Highly satisfactory.
You will not win this fight.
You are not worthy.
Is that a challenge?
Your loss was unavoidable. This pains you more than I.
The Groot and Rocket duo is hard to beat. You're about to find out if the duplicates are anything like the real thing.
Bluey! In your face! I am Groot!
Cowardice incoming.
I am Groot!
What's that smell? Oh, hey.
Fear me! Curse you! Easy. Who dares?
Your day's about to go from bad to worse. Heads up! Oh, too late.
Feel my wrath. Highly satisfactory. I am Groot! You shall fail before I am Groot! Embrace defeat. I've crushed creatures twice your size.
You're gonna pay for that.
You are not worthy! Do not be upset. I am just greater than you.
Oh, great. Another victory to go right to your head.